I would like to thank you so much for joining us for another Roblox adventure. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. If you did, be sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more daily Roblox adventures. Don't forget to don't forget to check out me I Love Cats shirt. You can get it at danishdaily.com, or there is a link in the description below. Anyways, other than that, I will see you guys in the next adventure.
This is a test for the future. A 45-year-old girl cat is missing. Find it now.